All of our spaces could so easily look alike. And what differentiates a space from another space is a sense of self, is a sense of what makes you different. And it's possible to hold on to that, but still feel stylish. My first career was in magazines. I was at various magazines in New York. I interviewed a lot of people that had a lot of money and were very proud of their spaces, but when you looked at the images, you didn't know who lived there. The ones that I was always drawn to combined creativity with personal touches that played to who they were as people and what their stories were. My process is really collaborative, and I want a client to feel like their home is themselves at their best. And so I am trying to pull out all that I can from them, but also be their guide. My background as a storyteller has really shaped the way I approach this process. Even though you can just go to Target and go to Home Goods and buy everything and bring it home, does it feel like you? That's the question. And does it meet the needs of your family? And does it function the best way it could? Or are you just gonna go back in a few months and buy more? I really, really believe that it's our responsibility to the planet, to our families, to not overspend and to make wiser choices.